or difference? These questions will be aroused by Arjuna, and Bhagavan is going to answer. So we shall begin our discussion from the first shloka of the 18th chapter. I will request you all, the newcomers, new listeners, to please do kindly subscribe and share this video at your status so that other persons could also get benefited by this discussion. Arjuna Vacha Sannyasasya Mahabaho Tattva Veditum Tyagasya Charishikesha Prathak Kesheni Sudana. त्याग संन्यासो ही मोक्ष साधनतया विहितौ. Veda says that the tyag and sannyas are the two mediums by which anyone can attain salvation. If we go in the Mahanarayana Upanishad 8:14, it is saying that na karmana na prajaya dhanena tyagena eke amritatmanashu. That some persons, some devotees, some practitioners are such that they don't attain salvation by karma, by the actions described in the Vedas, nor by naprajaya, nor by their children while performing the Laukik Kriti of Shraddha and all these things, nor by dhanena. Nor by dhanena means the best method of the best practice of dhan wealth is to give donation. So there are such persons who don't practice to attain salvation by donations. What do they do? Tyagena eke amritatmanashu. That they attain amrit pad moksha, salvation, by only one and only tyaga. Now, Muktikopanishad 3:2-6, if we go through that, Vedanta Vijnana Surishchitartha Sannyasa Yoga Yataya Shuddha Sattvaha Te Brahma Lokeshu Paranta Kale Paramridaha Parimuchanti Sarve. It is said that Paramartha Vastu, those who had cleared their knowledge about Paramatma to be the supreme abode, to be the supreme goal by Vedanta, by the statements of Vedanta, and whose sannyasa yoga yataya shuddha sattva, those who had purified their mind, purified their antakaran by the continued practice of sannyas. Te brahma lokeshu paranta kale. That at the time of death, at the time of closure of their life cycle, they attain Brahmalok and Paramritaha Parimuchanti Sarve. They become the Amrit Swarup, and they attain salvation. They attain the eternal freedom. So, in this way, those who have practiced sannyasyo will attain salvation by Muktikopanishad 3:2-6, and as well as Mahanarayana Upanishad, by those who are practicing tyag, they will also attain salvation. So in this way, both tyag and sannyas, these two are the mediums to attain salvation. Sannyasasya tyagasya cha tattvam yathatma prathak vedum ichchami. I want to understand both tyag and sannyas. Ayam abhipraya. My motto of this question is that kim etau sannyas tyag shabdau prithagartau ut ekartho eva. Do the both of these words sannyas and tyag, are they difference in nature, or are they similar and only having two names? Yada prithagartau tada anayo prithaktvena swarupam veditum ichchami. If they are different from each other, then I want to, Arjuna is saying that I want to understand this total description of tyag and sannyas. Ekatve api tasya swarupam vaktavyam iti. If they are similar, then also I want to understand tyag and sannyas, both of them. आता